Listen carefully as I read you this article about the Statue of Liberty. Then we're going to answer some questions down at the bottom. Here we go. It is a symbol of the USA. It is a statue of a lady holding a torch. She is very tall. She is in New York. Now we're going to answer the questions. If you need to pause, hit the pause button as you answer the question and then hit start again. Number 1 says, it is a symbol of blank USA. Is it A, B, or C? Which word makes sense in the sentence? Choose your answer and then move on to number 2. Number 2 says, it is a statue blank a lady. Is it A, B, or C? Which of these words makes sense in this sentence? Now number 3, she is holding a blank. Which one of these answers makes sense in the sentence?